Hey everyone, alright, here's a quick JEE Mains question for you. It looks a bit complex because of imaginary terms, but it's actually just straightforward calculation. So here we are given that x and y are two real numbers such that 50 times 2x over 1 plus 3 iota minus y over 1 minus 2 iota is equals to 31 plus 17 iota, and iota is obviously equals to root minus 1. Then we have to find the value of 10 times x minus 3y. So let's get started. So the idea here is quite simple because the term given in RHS is a complex number. So we'll convert LHS into a plus iota b form. So for that, I'll first of all take first term, that is 2x over 1 plus 3 iota. Now I'll simplify it by multiplying and dividing by conjugate of this term. So this will be 1 minus 3 iota. So if I simplify it further, I'll get 2x times 1 minus 3 iota, and in denominator it will be 1 square minus 3 iota square, that is equals to 10. So it is equals to x times 1 minus 3 iota by 5. Now if I take second term, that is y over 1 minus 2 iota. Again multiply by conjugate of 1 minus 2 iota, that is 1 plus 2 iota, and divide by it also. So I'll get y times 1 plus 2 iota over 1 square minus 2 iota square, that will be 5. So now I'll substitute these two values in our given equation. So our equation will be 50 times x 1 minus 3 iota by 5 minus y times 1 plus 2 iota by 5. Now if I take the LCM, I'll get 50 times x minus 3 iota x minus y minus 2y iota by 5. Now I can cancel these terms, it will be 10. So 10 times, now here I'll separate real and imaginary terms. So I'll get x minus y minus, I'll take minus iota common, so I'll get 3x plus 2y. Now this whole terms is equals to 31 plus 17 iota. Now I can compare real and imaginary part. Compare real and imaginary parts. So I'll get 10 times x minus y equals 31 and minus 3x plus 2y equals 17. It is minus 10. So it will be further equals to x minus y equals 3.1, and this equation will be equals to 3x plus 2y equals negative 1.7. Now if I multiply this equation by 3, I'll get 3x minus 3y equals 9.3, and this equation will remain as it is. Now I can subtract these two equations to get rid of x. So I'll get minus 5y equals 11.0. So from here our y will be equals to negative 11 by 5, that is equals to 2.2 with negative sign. Now I can substitute the value of y in my equation number 1. So x will be equals to 3.1 minus 2.2, that is equals to 0.9. Now I can substitute these two values in 10 times x minus 3y. So I'll get 10 times x is 0.9 minus 3 times minus 2.2. So this will be equals to 10 times 0.9 plus 6.6, which is 7.5, which is equals to 75 only. So my option D will be correct. Basically option 4 is the correct answer here.